Here's how to install the Adventure King's LED headlight globes for a massive lighting upgrade in under 10 minutes. First, locate and remove your existing headlights. Start by disconnecting the headlight plugs by wiggling them free. There will often be a retaining tab that needs to be squeezed with a set of needle nose pliers. Don't force anything if it doesn't seem like it wants to undo. On vehicles with H4 globes, there's a metal retaining ring that you need to push in and then open to remove the headlight. On later model vehicles, you may need to twist the globe anti-clockwise to free it from the housing. All vehicles are slightly different. If you're having trouble, search for your make and model of vehicle on the internet, plus how to remove headlight globe. Remove the Adventure King's LED headlight globes and drivers from their packaging. Connect the driver to the headlight and screw the fitting firmly together. Refit the new headlight globe to the housing, making sure to replace any rubber splash guards if fitted. If your vehicle requires a CAN bus interface module to prevent dash error lights, add this in line between the driver and the vehicle's headlight plug. Otherwise, simply refit the headlight plug. The final step is to mount the driver with the supplied cable ties in a way that it won't move around. Repeat for all headlight globes, and that's it, you're done. And there you have it, massively brighter headlights in well under 10 minutes. Too easy.